Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video I'm going to show you how I drain my portable air conditioner without a hose. In my case, I'm using the Rollibot Rollicool air conditioner, but this should work with most air conditioners out there. Particularly, this hack is really useful if you have a scupper plug down the bottom there. It's below that little knob there is where my plug is, and the only supplies that you're going to need are couple of beach towels and a Tupperware pan. Let's go. So what I do is I take a couple of beach towels and I put them under the unit on both sides. And this is quite heavy, particularly when they're full. So what I like to do is just kind of lean it over and then slide beach towel number one under the left side. And then I do the same on the other side. So what that does is it allows me to tilt the unit back and forth sort of easily, or more easily than it would be without the towels. And then I take my trusty pin here and I'm going to put that under the scupper plug in the back. Okay, so my unit actually has two drains. This one is for dehumidification and that one is for runoff from the AC down the bottom there. You can see the little pull tab there. I'm going to pull that open and we're going to watch the water come out. Ready? All right. So I pull that open, and now because I have the towels under here, which will also catch any water that spills on the floor, hopefully, I can actually lean on the AC to get it to tilt it back and get it to drain nicely. And that is essentially all that I do. Similarly, we can actually undo the other one, but I know for sure that the main offender for me right now is that little water pan. Anyhow, I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please smash that like button. Helps out the channel a lot, and as you can see, my FT has now changed to the actual temperature. Hope this video helped. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.